Hello, in this video I want to show you how to create album on Google Photos. To do this, first you will need to open your main Google Photos page, then find the albums on the left. Now we can click on create album, enter the title, then select add photos. You'll be able to select any photos from your Google Photos drive. Just pick, let's for example select those two, click on done, and this should create our album. Now when we go back, here in albums it should appear with its title name. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.